If you're over 60, never ignore this pain. It starts in your feet. It often starts as something small, a little tingling in your toes. Maybe your feet feel unusually cold or slightly numb. Most people shrug it off, assuming it's just part of aging. But if you're over 60, these could be early warning signs of a much bigger issue: declining nerve health and reduced blood flow, both of which can become serious if left unaddressed. Don't wait until the pain gets worse. Your feet are packed with nerve endings and tiny blood vessels. These nerves send messages to your brain, and those blood vessels keep the tissues alive with oxygen and nutrients. As we age, these systems can slow down. When nerves don't get enough oxygen-rich blood, they can become damaged. That tingling, burning, or numbness you feel, it's often your nerves telling you they're not getting what they need. This condition is called peripheral neuropathy, and it's more common in seniors, especially those with diabetes or circulation problems. If this sounds familiar, leave a comment below. Others might be going through the same thing, and your experience could help them take action sooner. Red flags you shouldn't ignore. Your feet often give you clues before more serious problems develop. These symptoms may seem minor at first, but they can be your body's early way of waving a red flag. Here's what to watch for and why each one matters. Tingling or pins and needles in your toes or soles. This is often a sign that the nerves in your feet are not getting enough oxygen or nutrients due to poor circulation or early nerve damage. Cold feet even when your environment is warm. Constantly cold feet may indicate reduced blood flow, often caused by narrowed or hardened blood vessels, a condition that becomes more common with age. Sharp pains, especially at night. Shooting or burning pain at night is a hallmark of nerve irritation or neuropathy, which is often linked to diabetes or vitamin B deficiencies. Feet feeling numb or losing sensation. Numbness can mean the nerves are not functioning properly, which may reduce your ability to notice injuries or pressure on your feet. A dangerous risk, especially for diabetics. Blisters, cuts, or wounds that take longer than usual to heal. Poor circulation can slow the delivery of healing nutrients and immune cells, which increases your risk of infection or serious complications. If any of these signs are showing up regularly, don't brush them off or chalk them up to just getting older. These symptoms can point to underlying issues such as poor circulation, nerve damage, diabetes, or even vitamin deficiencies. It's a smart move to bring these concerns to your healthcare provider as soon as possible. The earlier these problems are addressed, the easier they are to manage, and in many cases to reverse. Good circulation is essential for keeping your nerves healthy. Your blood carries oxygen and nutrients. Think of it like a delivery service that keeps your entire body running smoothly. When circulation is strong, your nerves get the fuel they need to function properly. But when that delivery system slows down, especially to the farthest parts of your body like your feet, your nerves begin to struggle. Without enough oxygen and nutrients, nerves can become damaged or inflamed. This is what leads to that uncomfortable tingling, burning, or numbness. Poor circulation is like a traffic jam in your bloodstream. It slows everything down, and your nerves are often the first to suffer. Here are some common causes of poor circulation. Sedentary lifestyle. Sitting for long periods without movement restricts blood flow, especially to your lower legs and feet. Smoking. Nicotine damages blood vessels and makes them narrower, limiting the blood supply. High blood sugar levels. Uncontrolled diabetes can damage blood vessels and nerves over time. High cholesterol. Fatty deposits can build up in arteries, reducing blood flow. Tight shoes. Shoes that squeeze your feet too tightly can physically block circulation and press on sensitive nerves. The good news, you can improve circulation with simple habits that don't require major changes. Move more. Even small movements can help. Try toe stretches while sitting, rotate your ankles a few times a day, or take short walks around your home or yard. Movement helps pump blood through your legs and feet. Warm foot soaks, immersing your feet in warm water with Epsom salts, if you like, helps expand your blood vessels. This allows more oxygen-rich blood to reach your feet, easing stiffness and discomfort. Gentle massage. Rubbing your feet stimulates blood flow and can activate nerve endings. You can use your hands or a simple foot roller to do this for just a few minutes before bed. Improving circulation isn't just about comfort, it's a step toward protecting your nerves for the long haul. Have a favorite foot care tip or daily habit that helps your circulation? Drop it in the comments. Your advice might be just what someone else needs. Your nervous system is like your body's electrical wiring. It controls everything from how your muscles move to how your skin senses touch. To keep these nerve pathways healthy and functional, your body depends on specific nutrients that repair, protect, and energize your nerves. When these nutrients are missing or deficient, nerves can become weak, irritated, or even permanently damaged. Here are the key nutrients your nerves, and especially the ones in your feet, need to stay strong. Vitamin B12. Think of this as nerve fuel. Vitamin 12 helps your body build the protective coating called myelin around nerves. When you don't get enough, signals from your feet to your brain get disrupted. Deficiency can lead to numbness, balance issues, and even memory problems. Older adults often absorb B12 less efficiently, making supplements especially helpful. Alpha-lipoic acid. This antioxidant fights off free radicals, unstable molecules that can damage nerve tissue. It also improves blood sugar levels, which is key for diabetics prone to nerve pain. Studies have shown it can reduce burning, tingling, and numbness in people with neuropathy. Magnesium, often called the relaxation mineral, magnesium supports smooth nerve communication and muscle function. It helps calm overactive nerves, reduce cramps, and improve overall comfort in your feet and legs. How to get them? You can find these nutrients in everyday foods like eggs, leafy greens, fish, nuts, and whole grains. But as we age, food alone might not be enough. That's why many seniors benefit from supplements, especially for B12 and alpha-lipoic acid. Just make sure to talk to your doctor before starting any new supplement. Start small. Add one nutrient-rich food or supplement to your daily habits this week. With time, these small changes can strengthen your nerves, ease discomfort, and improve your quality of life. Poor footwear doesn't just hurt your arches, it can actually damage nerves over time. Shoes that are too tight, have poor support, or squeeze your toes can restrict circulation and put pressure on sensitive nerves. Look for a wide toe box, so your toes can spread naturally. Good arch support to reduce foot strain, cushioned soles to absorb shock and protect joints. Avoid high heels or flat, unsupportive shoes like worn-out slippers, and make sure you wear the right size. Your foot shape can change as you age. Have a go-to shoe that made a big difference for your feet? Share the brand or type in the comments to help others. If you have diabetes, foot care becomes even more critical. High blood sugar can damage both nerves and blood vessels, leading to serious problems like ulcers, infections, or even amputations if not treated early. Make it a habit to inspect your feet daily for cuts, swelling, or color changes. Moisturize dry skin but not between the toes. Keep toenails trimmed and clean. Products like capsaicin creams can help manage nerve pain, and Epsom salt soaks reduce inflammation and soreness. Your feet are more than just what gets you from place to place. They're one of the first places your body shows signs of deeper problems. Pay attention. When your feet tingle, go numb, or hurt, your nerves and circulation may be asking for help. Add gentle foot routines to your daily care. Incorporate the right nutrients. Choose supportive footwear. If this guide helped you understand your symptoms better, consider sharing it with a friend or family member. You never know who might need to hear it today. Your health journey matters. Stay active. Stay informed and take care of your feet. They truly carry you through life.